4 past summers we were in it. Now is now and you don't look the same. Another cycle got me feeling pick me. We just not meant to be. It used to make me sad and now it don't. I've been grew up just waiting for you to slip though. I know you will, cause you cannot sit still. When you come looking for me next, I won't be here. I'm a free bird. I'm a free bird. Took me a while cause I'm loyal, but I just came to my senses, babe. No more conversation, baby. You can't distract me from my future any longer. No more kicking back, holding it down, or none of that, okay. You know what you could have had, you just want me to linger around. I cannot do that anymore. I know you thought I wouldn't fly, but look now, I'm afraid.